Hello, this is Mrs. Russ, and this is lesson 110, practice set problems. We are going to be learning about interest. So, what I did was I found this interest formula because your book says to use a calculator method, and I believe it's using, that is so very confusing. So let's just plug and chug like we know how to do. So for instance, for A, and I'll probably have to erase this here in a minute. When Mai turned 21, she invested, so her principal amount, or P, as it's shown right here, P is equal to 2,000, right here. And then it says of the IRA, our individual retirement account, has grown at a rate of 10% compounded annually. So let's see. Number of times the interest is compounded per year, that's N. It's compounded annually, so it's only compounded once per year. The interest rate as a decimal, so let's see, that's R. I don't know why it's R, but 10% is equal to 0.10 as a decimal. So let's see, I have P, I have R, I have N, and then it says T, time in years. So let's see, what will be its value? So its amount or future value when she turns 65. So let's see. So we're looking for T, time in years, which is going to be 65 minus 21, which is 44. All right, so let's plug all of this in and see what it looks like. So I have the amount we're looking for is equal to 2,000 times 1 plus, let's see, 0.10 over 1, and then N is 1, and T is 44. So we really can take some stuff out here. So let me say this equals 2,000 times 1 plus 0.1 to the 44th power. Okay, this we can take out, and 1 times 44 is 1, blah, blah. So I have 2,000 times 1.10 to the 44th power. Now I have to do, that's 44. I have to do this first, okay? And I can do it on my calculator. I'm not sure how they want you to do it on your calculator. So let's see, 1.10 to the 44th power. And I get a big number. It's like 66.26 times 2,000 is a huge, enormous number. Let me make sure my huge, enormous number is right. It is. It's beautiful. Okay. So let's see. That's, what is that? I get 1.28.15, and that's as far as I can go. Ooh, okay. Well, I'm going to pause and erase all of this and see if there's a better way to do this with the calculator thing that they have. So, hold on. Well, believe it or not, this is the easier way because they want you to, like, the calculator method is that you put this in and then you click equals for like 44 times. And now, no. So let's try this one again. So it says that Miss Rojas deposited $6,000. So that's going to be my principal into an account paying 4% interest. So let's see, my interest is R, and it's supposed to be as a decimal. So this is this annually. After 8 months, Miss Rojas withdrew $6,000 plus interest. Altogether, how much did she draw? What fraction of the year's interest was earned? So let's see. So the time in years is going to be 8 over 12, which is 4 over 6, which is 2 over 3, which is 0.66, repeating forever. What am I missing? TN. Oh wait, N. number of times it's compounded per year is 1. But we didn't even get the whole thing. So let's see what we get. Okay, so we have A is equal to 6,000 times 1 plus, what's R? 0.04 over 1. That's not bad. And then 1 times, I'm just going to do 0.66. Okay. So I'm going to take this and this out because divide by 1, multiply by 1, no big. 6,000, 1 plus 0.04 to the 0.66 exponent. So let me do that first. That's going to be, I lost it. There it is. Okay. 6,000, 1.04 to the 0.66. Let me see if I can find a calculator online that will show you how I do this. Hold on. I cannot find that without exiting out of my thing. So I will just do this on my calculator. Times 6,000. And I get, as my answer, 6157.34. Am I right? Yeah. Yep. Oh, that is correct. What fraction? This goes here. And this is what she withdrew. Yay. Okay, let's see what else we have. I already did this one. I did this one. Why do I have B twice? C. Okay. A regularly priced television was $300 and was placed on sale for 20% off. When the television still didn't sell, the sale price was reduced for 20% off more. What was the clearance price? Okay. Okay. So this is going to be a matter of two different ratio boxes. So my first ratio box is an original change new. Original change new. We start off at 100%, regularly priced at $300. Okay. Placed on sale. And it didn't sell. So let's see what our sales price here would be. So that's going to be 100 over 80 is equal to 300 over X. 100X is equal to 2400. X is equal to 24. Oh, I missed a 0. My bad. That's 123, 123, so it's 240. Okay, so that's this sale price. Then it didn't sell again, so we have to do another ratio box. Where our original, or 100%, is going to be 240. We're going to subtract, this is change, 20 again, new, 80, and they want to know what the clearance price is. So we have 100, 80 equals 240, or X, so we have 100, X is equal to, I can't do that one in my head, so 240 times 80 is a lot. And then when you divide, you get X is equal to 192. That's my answer. Did I get that right? I would like to. I did! Praise Lord Jesus. Okay. And we're not doing D, so is this the last one? Praise the Lord. Okay. Sorry this was so long. Hope it's not terribly confusing. If you have any questions, let me know. We'll do star problems next.